What it do, y'all? This is your boy Ox City 360. It's your boy, man. Had the storage. Got that 8-inch rear end from oh no, I'm tripping. That's 7.5 from the yellow box. But I got the 8-inch rear end back in there. Long story short, y'all. Oh shit. Long story short, it's 422. And I'm finna do some organizing in here. Try to get this rear end back up in there and move some stuff around, get some stuff moved out and whatnot. And y'all see it, man. Tires, rims, complete interior to the black box, transmissions, radiator, bumpers, tail panels, damn snow blower, hood hinges, some front end accessories to the 305, AC condenser, I believe. I don't think that might be the heater, but the AC condenser, the heater core. Don't even quote me. Yeah, y'all, all the way back, header panels, fenders, tail lights, headlights, doors, trunk lid, quarter panels. One's better than the other. Rotor spindles, like shocks, electric seat tracks, back window to that 87 Brougham, inner fender wells, trunk carpets, door seals, like the chrome rain guard or whatever. It's not on the base models, but it run across the top, and it got another piece of slide in there running down the I think A pillar, and then in the back it has a piece maybe as well that slides in there to run down the back. I forget what them is called. You know, the trim that run basically along the top of the doors, the silver trim, chrome trim. I got that. Windshield trims. Like I got window switches, a couple bezels, interior plastics, ashtrays, the lower vent underneath the steering wheel. I got chrome for the back of the seats. I'm gonna take nice inventory. I got shit, tan interior. I got door panels for a 90. It's the blue vinyl with the plastics. I said I got that I'm gonna let go. I got 2 passenger doors, manual, with the panels. I'll probably sell them without the panels, unless somebody want the front panels. Got a gas tank, but mugs ain't gonna want that. I got a tail panel, like the tail header panel. Complete dash for a Brougham 87. With the EGS, I think, or ERS. It's like, or ES. It's like extended range system or something like that. That model. I got stuff, y'all. All the interior plastics to the brown one. All the interior plastics to 88 LS. Originally gray, previous owner painted them black, like you see. They could probably be stripped, but you see the seats, they was gray. They painted them black. I got, man, talking about seats. I got a couple base model seats. Maybe just, yeah. I got a complete back seat, but it's only like the top is from a base model and the other one is the Brougham model. So like the plush, not the leather. I don't know. I got a lot of stuff though. I'm gonna get to situate some stuff, y'all. Remember, like, comment, subscribe if you want to. You ain't gotta like. But dislike that mug if you don't like it. Been out here about 45 minutes, y'all. I just realized the beginning part of this video is vertical, I guess, up and down. But it's why I got. Everybody start taking some pictures of some things. I got stuff spread out. All the seats. I mean, they dirty, but I know I put some stuff on them. I know. This set of seats, man, maybe $200. Hell, I might let them go for $100. Somebody gonna come pick them up. But I've been thinking about trying to do a project with some seats. So I might not be able to sell the fronts, but I probably will sell them as a complete set for $100 or $200, maybe $150. I don't know. I'm ready to take some pictures in a minute, y'all. Take some pictures of these doors. I got a trunk deck lid. Yeah, I got a lot. Yo, working 3 hours non-stop, maybe 10-minute break in between total. This is where we at. Situated a lot. Here I got the bikes, 4 tires, a couple pieces. I mean, fan shroud I'm gonna use. I think somebody needs a lower. Headers I'm gonna put on the black Chevy. That header panel over there, I don't know what kind of car it's for, but it got good headlights and bezels. I got 2 sets of tail lights in there, 2 sets of headlights in the car. They over there. But I don't know if I'm gonna get rid of some fenders for sure, but I got a full set of interior. Just a couple other pieces, y'all.